Okay, this video is how to factory reset your iPhone 6 because we want to sell it. So we're going to press right here on settings. Bam, it's going to bring us to settings. And then we're going to scroll all the way down to general. Click on general. Then we got to scroll all the way to the bottom and hit reset. Bam. All right, now it's going to give us some options. Reset all settings. We click on that and you got to take a quick look at this. Oh, I got to put my password in. All right, I'm not going to show you my password, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in. And it's going to bring me to this page, and look at the bottom. It says, reset all settings. Now, if you read this, it says, this will reset all settings and your Apple Pay cards will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. Well, I want all my pictures and all that junk taken off. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to press cancel. And then we're going to go back up to the top, and we're going to hit erase all content and settings. Bam. So now it's going to ask me, do I want to back this up into iCloud? Yeah, of course I want to back it up. I don't want to lose any of my photos or any of that stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Now that's going to take a little bit of time. So it's going to go complete backup. Estimated time remaining forever. So anyway, we're connected to the internet and hopefully we'll get this thing done quickly. It says it's only going to take a minute, but who knows? I mean, it could take forever. But, you know, you got to do it if you want to reset the phone. So we got to wait for it to get back to where it's got to be. And looks like we're almost there. Bam! We got there right on time. Oh, I got to put my code in. Not going to show you guys, though. So hang on just a second while I do that. Okay, and bam! There we are, right where we want to be. It gives us this little window. It says, this will delete all media data and reset all settings. Yes, that's what I want to do. I'm going to press erase iPhone. Bam. Oh, now they give me a whole nother one. Are you sure you want to continue? All media data and settings will be erased. Yes, I do. Bam. All right, now we're ready to sell this. So, no, we're not. Okay, I put it in there and I'm going to hit erase. Bam. This should work. Let's see. I guess it did. All right, let's go. Oh, nope, here we go. And here we are in the watch the screen forever mode. This could take 7 to 8 years. I'm not sure how long, but we're just going to have to wait it out. And, oh, there goes the white line. It's working. I'm going to try to speed this part up so that we can get through this video a little bit quicker. Come on, big fella. You can do it. There we go. Come on. Oh, all right. Now something's happening. I think I'm going to have to speed up the rest of this because it could take a while. Taking forever. All right, we're getting there slowly but surely. There it is, almost, and bam. All right. Oh, hello. What do you know? Looks like we factory reset this. Hola, or holla, halla, or hello, and bonjour, French, son of a gun. Well, if you like this video, check out some of my other videos that I have on YouTube on how to put a screen on an iPhone, how to change a battery, how to move your apps around. I got a whole bunch of them. Go ahead and check out my playlist at Tom Lehman. Thanks.